Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a Prezi. It's a dynamic zooming presentation editor that allows you to zoom in and out of things. The first thing you need to do is set up create your account. It's pretty easy. You just give your email address. Because you're a student, you get the free account. Then once you start your Prezi account, you can click on New Prezi. Give it a title. This is going to be test 1. You can give a description if you'd like, and then just click New Prezi. The next thing that comes up is allows you to choose a template. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start a blank template. It allows you to change the colors and the backgrounds and things like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a background theme. It automatically comes up with, this would be maybe where you would have your title, so I'm going to go ahead and double click to add the title. Welcome to my Prezi. I can again change my title based on the themes, or I can go and customize my color theme if I wish by selecting your text and then changing your color. Okay, click OK. If I want it bigger, I click on it and the zooming thing comes in. I can change it and I can move it by just clicking and dragging. I can add more items. One thing that you need to know about Prezi is basically a canvas. So if you zoom out with your mouse, this is all the way zoomed out. I can zoom in as much as I want to, however. So I'm going to zoom in and I can add text where I want. I can drag it around by clicking the mouse and dragging the canvas around. So I'm going to go ahead and add some text in here, maybe in a circle, and I'm going to double click to add my text. Topic 1 would be something that we would talk about first. Again, click OK. I can zoom it in and I can move it around. So again, I'm going to zoom out. So if you see, this is my welcome to my Prezi, and then I have something zoomed in on here. I can go ahead. I can also insert images, PowerPoints, YouTube videos, other files. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert an image. Let's go ahead and insert that. Again, it's as big as when you zoom into something, it's as big as you want it to be. Okay, so I can even zoom in here and I can add text on here. So I'm going to go ahead and just select this. It did not let me do that, so I need to zoom back in. So I'm going to go ahead and double click here. This would be and I can add more bullets, maybe if I want to do bullet points. Okay, so you kind of get the point. You can just make your bullet points. Again, I'm going to zoom out. I'm done with that. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to zoom out, and let's maybe add one more frame. Let's see here. I'm going to insert maybe a flowchart. Okay, so it gives you lots of options again that you can put in here. Clouds, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and choose a cloud. Okay. Again, I'm going to move it so I want it to be somewhere else. I'm going to zoom in So this would be idea 1. There's big and small. They have this. Okay, so I have my presentation ready. I've zoomed in and out, but now I have to create the path, because the path shows you how the Prezi works. So I'm going to click on the path. So it automatically goes from 1 to 2 to 3. I can now click anything else to add it to my path. I have to zoom out and then can click to my next one. I need to zoom in, and you notice on the left it like starts building it like your PowerPoint, which is kind of nice. That's a new feature that Prezi just added. I want to zoom in. I want to click on the next one. I'm going to drag my canvas over, and I'm going to click on my last one. Now I can preview it by looking at or pressing the play button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and preview it. I'm going to start presenting. Okay, so and then I just click the arrow key to go to the next section. Okay, so you notice it zooms in and out. It goes to my home computer. I probably should have zoomed it to the computer before I zoomed it into the text. Idea 1, big and small. Okay, so I am done with my presentation. Okay, you cannot zoom anymore, it says. Again, I can add more to my presentation. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so I can find my, that's the one thing with Prezi. You can tend to lose things pretty quickly because you can zoom in and out so much. So I'm going to zoom out, and again I can add a big huge title right here, and I can just keep adding on to this. Prezi is very dynamic. Again, you can add pictures, you can add video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of my examples. Okay, so here is my Prezi that I did for one of my business classes. I'm going to go ahead and autoplay this. No, I'm sorry, I'm going to full screen it. Then I'm going to go ahead and just arrow through my presentation. So this is chapter 5, how the market works. Okay, so you notice I have my objectives here. Again, I can put text inside different items, and you notice I have that my 3 objectives in there. Okay, so again, big, small, it zooms in and out. And again, I have like lots of text with the in text, and things can swirl around, things can move based on how you have your text boxes. Okay. I don't have any video on this one, but I do have some pictures that I have here. So again, I just be creative in how you use the Prezi. The last thing I want to show you is how you can download your Prezi. There's a couple things that you can do. You can view together, so that would give you an email code that you could give to somebody. So you could email this to somebody, and then you can start presenting. You can also download the Prezi, and it exports it to a zip file that you would then unzip on your computer, that you could then show the Prezi, because this is flash based, so it has to have all of the goodies to make it the Prezi work. So this would be another option for you to be able to show off your Prezi. Again, Prezi is a very dynamic presentation editor, so have fun with it. It's lots of fun to zoom in and out of things, play around with the different features. It's a great tool, presentation tool that that they've come up with. So again, I hope you take use of this dynamic presentation editor, and I hope you have fun. Thank you.